Nalor ki weipat kisap ki phong ki bangila bani I haki khon jong jella jongi. Kawai ni kisap ke beruspa ru haki kadai ke sap syat. Bat ya kani la bani I habadon ki rensan haki tamasa boper hakani ke rilum khasi jantia. Kani kadai kawai ni ki rensan ke bau PCN udang yok ban sakhi dang haki kendiat sengi balala. Kata hak tamasa Lukha Festival. Kebalalong hak syitarik bat artarik benai rempang menta kesenam arajar kat kendai. Hadian bala sakhi kena kata masa harut ke wak Lukha. La bani Isha ya ke sapshat jengki kena bat kisam la jengi. Hadian kene kakenhun PCN kele kenduru ya ke kelong kemie kakong dari shisha mauro. Kabana kene kenong bak shelong kabadan ni kasap ban syat ya ki jajing syat ki baper. Hadian bakal job hagi babun ki rensan ya ko. Mentapat kene kelong kemie kalapai kemat syaki hebrit bat ki kena ki beran kejing angnut ban kiau hagi rensan ki baher ban penpau ke sap syat jengki ban penjana ke sap syat jengki kena bat ki hebret ki beran ke sap ban syat kakong dari shisha kala pleru de skol ke bakerpang ban ai jengi kai syat ki kena bat ki hebret haki rukom syat ki babonjat bat yakni ke skol latet kom gajanayas dance and fitness kabadan ha Orchid City Polo Shillong.
Nidon kiwi ki jing shot kum ki free dance style ki contemporary ki nidon not ki jaj dance like na ki ballet kan tinga kwa kani ba hapo Shillong ro ban pau ki ballet because ballet jing shot kalong total different from all the dance the pair ha kadon very nice proper posture and everything long kapaskin tinga kwa nga long ngala hikai hapo daily before and with that I just stopped na mga hangni nga kami ira ba kadon scope na mar kibun ki khana kimda khamdon interest hapo ballet kin then somehow nga try ban sang ya kanika studio ba nganyo ai kanika sapro ikini ki khana ba nangnish khamat ba kin dang pau kanya ki ballet because ballet is totally different than all the kinds of dance kin narang akwa kanika sapro ba kinyo kini khana and then when you pau kin anang nish khamat kin long Shillong ro ba kinyo kin kini ki ballet kind of dance kin not only just a contemporary hip hop locking popping nakwa ba kinang ballet ro kin ba kinla ban poi shu khamat kin chani training hangni ai salsa ro but the salsa most of the people can tip so that's why I stop otherwise I also give salsa classes ke. Also the Zumba classes as well. Mentate ngadang continue hi ke Zumba. People are coming for a Zumba classes, many of them.
Hagani ke skol ki basha hikai kidai ki banado ki bala san snam gerta shaneng. Bat ki jat jing shat ki bala ajing hikai hang ne da ka kong dari shisha. Kidai ke Zumba, ke ballet, bat ke salsa. Ondalarung hakani ke jaka ajing hikai. La bani I shisha ya ke sapshat jung kena nado ke bidang red kerta. Bat ke bala he rukunjo.
What is the gesture of the finger during the ballet class? Okay. Now see, this is the jazz hand. What is this? Jazz hand. Half plie, up again, half. Now full. Full. You have to be very specific with this. See, your legs should be like this. Okay. This. Half plie, full, half. Ngadi fitness trainer ro the through climb ngayo kanika jaka, and she helped me out with this place, and we need to do the payment for this ki ong ken ba hap siri ya kanika rent ken hap ai monthly rent. So nga phaju approach raya kata ban I free or something like that. Tang ba banyo kat kanika hall hapo very less rate te it's not possible because hapo ballet te ni kwa dang kam ki big space. And the small space it is too costly kung hapo lai mukran anywhere nang akwa kat kanika space te it'll take lots kente. I hope that this place banong continue be hakanika jakakin.
Haganek skol hikai shat ka kong dari shisha ka ajing hikai tang laisian shitayo. Kata ha kasni nengkong, kasni balang, bat kasni thok diam. Bat ka jing ajing hikai ya ki lai tili ki jat jing shat ru kalong lala ka jong kapor.
All together sometime ka increase sometime ka duna te sometime ni poi hadu like how 30, and then sometime ni poi only 15 like that, sometime ni poi hadu 30 like that. Ka long up down, it depends on the season to season. Ka training actually yaki ballet nga itang Monday and Friday, that is from 5 to 6, and for the Zumba classes nga I only from 6 to 7, that is 3 days a week. Actually it depends. For the beginners ni picken in how the children are able to catch from the beginners to the intermediate and advanced king. It depends, like the kila when come up to the intermediate, then shift na hapo intermediate king, and if it is possible by kinlong advanced student, then shift na hapo advanced student king. So it depends, like how many month they can learn within that.
Nalor ke jing hikai hakani ka kamra jong ki sau kunro. Ban penslur ki hebret baki kena ban shat akmat upat ba. Ka kong dari shisha ke je lamru ya ka kenhon na kani ka skol ban let penpa ka sap shat jong ni kena hakal leng ki rensan. Kawai ni kerensan kabagani ka kenhuan kelayola ban penpau ya kasap jongki. Kadeh kerensan ya kop shat ha ususut ham auditorium. Ya kabalatip kum kam master of beats. Bat hagani kerensan kani ka kenhuan keleshim penta tang ha kaban pun bernyai ginong wan petkai. Hendrai om bani shim penta ha ka jing yakop.
katu show actually kimday exactly jangi kide jangki way that we just perform as an entertainment ken ni long just an entertainment during the gap te ni perform ken. So in that ni khamshim pisa ere we just want them to be more confident up on stage ken te nakadaw nga I one show for them then they kile bha